a very incredible place associated with Baba. So, where are we? We are actually at Nevasa, which is about 75 kilometers from Shirdi. It took us about 1.5 hours to get here from Shirdi. There is a big Rinanubandh between this place and Baba. We're going to explore that connection now. It is mentioned in Sai Satcharita that Baba comes to Shirdi at the young age of 16 years. He stays at Shirdi for about a year. There is no information about him for the next 3 years. Baba comes back to Shirdi with Chandbhai Patil's marriage party and stays there for in Shirdi for permanently 60 years. Now, this is what is written in earlier translations of Sai Satcharita. Actually, Sai Baba stayed at Nevasa also for about a year before coming to Shirdi. Now, what is the proof of this statement? Now, if we read the original Sai Satcharita in Marathi written by Heman Pant or the recent translations, we find the following in the chapter 27, verses 14 and 15. Blessed indeed was Chand Patil, who, leaving the Nizam's regime, came to Nevasa, bringing along with him the Fakir Sai. The Fakir actually stayed there for about 6 months or 1 year. Kama of Konad village in Rahuri district was made to stay there with him. In other words, Baba was at Nevasa for about a year before coming again to Shirdi. Apart from original Sai Satcharita, this is also confirmed by Sai Leela magazine and Dr. Vinny Chitlurima. That is why we are here. This is an important kshetra or place. There is one more reason too. Sri Jnaneshwar Maharaj dictated the magnum opus Jnaneshwari here. It was written at this place only. Now you can see a pillar here. It is on this pillar Sri Jnaneshwar Maharaj leaned on and dictated Jnaneshwari. Once when Jnaneshwar Maharaj comes to the temple, he sees a woman crying. Our husband has just died. Jnaneshwar Maharaj blesses her. Dirgha Sumangal Bhava. This is the picture of Jnaneshwar Maharaj. She says that her husband has just died and how can she be a Sumangali? Jnaneshwar Maharaj asks where her husband is and what his name is. His name was Sachidananda. Jnaneshwar Maharaj says, how can Sachidananda die? And calls out to him, hey Sachidananda, wake up. Do not sleep too much. Sachidanand, who has died, gets up immediately. Jnaneshwar Maharaj leans against this pillar and dictates Jnaneshwari. Sachidanand writes it. So this is the place where Jnaneshwari is written. Jnaneshwar Maharaj's Samadhi is in Alandi. Alandi is about 24 kilometers from Pune. Jnaneshwar Maharaj came here from Alandi. He dictated Jnaneshwari here at this place and it was actually transcribed by Sachidananda. It is here our Sachidananda Sadguru Sai Baba also stayed for a year. Baba stayed at Shirdi for 60 years after coming with Chandbhai Patil. During this time, he visited only 3 places, Rahata, Rui and Neemgaon. He visited several other places in Sukshma Rupa only. Before coming to Shirdi for the second time on the way, Baba stayed here in this temple at Nevasa for about a year. The proof for this is in original Sai Satcharita in Marathi and also in Sai Leela magazine. It is also available in the book said Ramayana, which is OV to OV translation of original Sai Satcharita to Tamil. This book is available in the Mylapore Sai temple in Chennai. The story of Jnaneshwar Maharaj is fascinating. There were 4 saints born in the same family as brothers and sisters. His elder brother is Nivrutinath, younger brother Sopan, and younger sister Muktabai. Though they lived for a very short time, their life history is rich and rewarding. We do not have time to cover it though. We have gone to Alandi and have videos of that place too. We will talk about the relation to Baba also. This is an important sthala or kshetra or place. Jnaneshwar Maharaj has come here and recited Jnaneshwari leaning against this pillar. He revived Sachidananda, and Jnaneshwari was transcribed by Sachidanand only. And our Baba Sai Maharaj has stayed here for 1 year. This is based on several authentic sources mentioned earlier. In addition, Dr. Vinny Chitluri Ma told us about this and encouraged us to visit this place. In addition, her son Sri Sada Gode has also traced Baba's journey with Chandbhai Patil in a YouTube video, where they went, where they stayed, etc. Behind this temple is a temple of Sri Rama. There are murtis of Sri Rama and Dattatreya. It was surprising that Baba was here for a year before coming to Shirdi. He comes to Shirdi with Chandbhai Patil's marriage party from Dhoopkheda, gets down at Khandoba temple, and Mahalsapati welcomes him as our Sai. So Baba stayed here for a year. This place is about 1.5 hours from Shirdi, about 75 kilometers. We can come in a cab or auto. There is also another important place at Nevasa. We'll see it in the next video. Thank you for watching this. Om Sai Ram.